Welcome back, guys, and for this dish you need a good sized brinjal or an eggplant. Make slits along the length of the eggplant so that the oil and the salt can penetrate. Use a good quality olive oil and about a teaspoon of salt. Rub all of it in. The eggplant now has to be charred on a very high flame. You could use a gas stove. I'm using coal here. Now wrap it in an aluminium foil, place it next to the coals or in an oven at 180 degrees for 20 minutes till it's soft and done. Allow this eggplant to cool completely before unwrapping. You don't want any burnt fingers, do you? Let's start peeling now. The slits that you made earlier will make peeling quite easy if you've charred it well. Now, take the eggplant, chop it into smaller pieces. Let's start cooking barta. Toast some cumin on a medium heat. Add the olive oil. The exact measures of all the ingredients is in the description below. Fry the cumin until you hear the sizzle. Time to add the flavorings now. Chop garlic, fry it until golden brown, followed by some beautiful red onions. Add a little bit of salt. This will help in frying the onions faster, and season the dish. Add 2 tablespoons of tandoori marinade. You could also use bhuna masala. The links to both these recipes are in the description below, or just look out for my other YouTube videos. Roast the spices well, really well. And add a bit of water or stock to just deglaze the pan. At this point of time, add a bit more salt for seasoning. That's optional actually. And a bit of cracked pepper to just lift up the flavors before the all-important step of adding in the eggplants. Mix it all through till your kitchen smells like a fragrant heaven. Of course, on a medium heat, you would never want to burn it. Finish off the dish with some fresh coriander. Enjoy it with a naan. If you enjoyed the video, please like it and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Cheers!